So this is to show you how to change the blade. So first of all, you open this one, and then you rotate this one to remove the blade. Okay. First of all, you need, this has 3 screws, so all you need to open it. You open one will do lah. So after, of course, this one you need to give some force lah. So you screw up very tight. So this one you take up one side, so it should able to remove. So after remove, then you change this to the steel blade. You put the steel blade in, and then if you feel that it's not tight enough, you can put some this one rubber or whatever to hold it. Put it, then only you put the last one. So you look at the screw, there has a slope one. So the slope one should be put bottom lah. So when you tighten up, it will hold harder, tighter and then tighter. This is a try the screw, and then when you tighten it, it will hold very tight. So once you tighten it, this one you just put it back here. In this side, you just need to turn this knot, the center knot. Center knot, you will take out the blade, and then put the steel blade on. Steel blade on. You put this the rubber. Okay. And then you just turn it. Okay, it's done.